Main landing gear, part 2. I drill a 1/4 inch hole for the pivot pin, then I mill a channel for a spring attachment point. Then I turn the pin out of a steel bolt. Next, I drill and tap the hole where the spring is going to attach to. I hope it's all going to work. It is an experiment for me. These are the parts needed for assembly. I didn't record how I made the wheel hubs. As you can see, they are made out of 2 pieces. One attaches to the wheel and the other one with the bearing attaches to the arm. If the UAV comes out light enough, I'll consider adding brakes to the assembly. I tested different springs to get the satisfying performance out of the landing gear. It seems that the plane will be able to withstand some of the roughest landings. I am pretty happy with today's results. That's all for today and more coming soon.